Good morning students. Hello everyone. Now today we will continue our chapter the triangle and its properties. In the previous lecture we studied about some basic terms and definitions related to triangles. Now today we will discuss some important properties of a triangle, that is angle sum property of a triangle. What is the angle sum property of a triangle? That sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now see, in a triangle, let a triangle ABC have angle x, y, z. Then according to this property, x plus y plus z equals to 180 degree. Now see, this is a theorem also. Theorem, it means whenever we have a statement that we need to prove it, this is called a theorem. किसी भी statement को अगर हमें prove करना पड़ता है, then it is called a theorem. So this is a theorem, it means there is some process to prove it. How to prove it? Whenever we are proving any statement, we will prove any statement, then we will use the concept which one we already know. जो हमें पहले से कोई concept पता है, हम उस concept का use करके उस statement को prove करते हैं. जो हमें नहीं पता है, we will study it later. That one statement we can't use here. जो statement हमें जिस कंसेप्ट के बारे में हम पहले से प्रूव कर चुके हैं या हमें ऑलरेडी उसके नॉलेज है, दैट वन स्टेटमेंट, दैट वन प्रॉपर्टी वी कैन यूज टू प्रूव दिस थ्योरम. ओके, सी हियर, सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स इन ए ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. थ्योरम स्टेटमेंट इज दिस. व्हाट वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट. स्टेटमेंट में सबसे पहले हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि हमें प्रूव क्या करना है. Prove that x plus y plus z equals to 180 degree. Given, तुम्हें given क्या है इसमें? That let a triangle ABC. हमें एक ट्राइंगल गिवन है ABC और प्रूव करना है कि इन तीनों एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री. For proving it, sometimes we need construction. Construction में क्या करेंगे? We draw a parallel line suppose XY which is passing through A and parallel to BC. What we write down in construction? Draw a line XY which is passing through A and parallel to BC. It means we take the parallel line concept. Now we have XY parallel to BC. If this one line is parallel to this, then this AB becomes transversal. So we start our proof. In our proof, see, XY parallel to BC and AB transversal. So in this case, you can say that this one angle XAB is equal to ABC. What is the relation between these two angles? These angles are alternate angles that we can write down that angle XAB is equal to ABC is equal to Y. Reason is alternate angle. Similarly, XY parallel to BC but now we are taking AC as a transversal. XY parallel to BC. Now we take AC transversal. In this case, YAC is equal to ACB is equal to Z. Reason same, alternate angles. This one we take equation first, equation second. It means this one Y, then this Y, this Z, then this Z. Now see, it is a straight line and two rays stand on it, then sum of all angles on a straight line on the same side of a line is equal to 180 degree. So by this concept we can say Y plus X plus Z is equal to 180 degree, that is X plus Y plus Z equals to 180 degree. Hence proved. Means जो हमें प्रूव करना था वो हमने प्रूव कर दिया. And which concept we used here? Which we know already. Which one concept we already know? Parallel line concept. That whenever a transversal intersect two parallel line, their alternate interior angles are equal. And the second one concept we use that the adjacent angles on the same side of line. Sum of the adjacent angle on the same side of line is equal to 180 degree. कि जितने भी adjacent angles हैं अगर वो same side of the line है उन सब का sum 180 degree के equal होता है. So we will use this one concept. So what is the basic important property of a triangle? That is the angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, now see next. In acute angle triangle, how many angles are acute? We can say 3 angles. Obtuse angle triangle, क्या एक से ज़्यादा angle obtuse हो सकते हैं? No. In right angle triangle, more than one angle can be 90 degree? No. So, this is the important fact. Now we will discuss the examples. Example first. In a triangle ABC, this angle A 60 degree, angle B 75 degree. Find the value of X. Very easy example. Use angle sum property of a triangle. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now put the value 60 degree plus 75 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree. Then this one 135 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 minus 135, 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 3, 4. That is equal to 45 degree. So this time we will find out the value of unknown angle in a triangle. See the next question. Next example. State in which of the cases the angles can possibly be those of a triangle. Your question is given to you 68 degree, 49 degree and 63 degree. Your question is this, we can say in easy language, can it possible to make the triangle from these angles? क्या हम इन एंगल्स से ट्राइंगल्स बना सकते हैं? ट्राइंगल केस एक ही केस में बन सकता है अगर इन तीनों एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री है. Then we can form the triangle from these angles, otherwise not. So what we will do? We will check the sum of all these angles. 8 or 9, 17 or 3, 20. 6, 6, 12, 4, 16 or 2, 18. So that is equal to 180 degree. It means it is possible to construct a triangle from the given angles. Another example, see. Each of the two equal angles of a triangle of the two equal angles of a triangle is twice the third angle. Find the angles of the triangle. See, this question is related to your algebraic expressions also, equations you can say. That firstly make the equation for this given statement and then after apply the angle sum property of a triangle. See in this, each of the two equal angles of a triangle, let equal angles of a triangle or let third angle of a triangle is equal to x degree. Then condition is given to you two equal angles. Then two equal angles of a triangle is means equal, twice means twice, 2 multiplied by third angle. It means it becomes 2x. So how can we make the figure? One angle is x, then other two equal angles become 2x. Now we can apply the angle sum property of a triangle, that becomes x plus 2x plus 2x, 5x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 by 5, 5 3s are 15, 30, 5 6 are 30. It means this angle is 36 degree and these two angles becomes 72 degree. Okay, now see the next example. Very easy examples related to this concept. One of the angles of a triangle, angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two, is equal to the sum of other two. Find the measure of this angle. See here, one of the angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two. See, it is given to you one of the angles, suppose I take x, is equal to the sum of other two. It means x is equal to y plus z. This condition is given to you in the question. Now we will apply the angle sum property, that we know that sum of all the angle is equal to 180 degree. Give reason also, angle sum property of a triangle. This y plus z also equal to x. 2x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 divided by 2, that is equal to 90 degree. So what is the value of x? One of this angle 90 degree. It means it is a which type of angle? one of the angle is 90 degree, it means this triangle is called right angle triangle. See the next example now. In the given figure is given to you A, B, C, D, E, 5 vertices. A, B, C, D, E. One, 4, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 angles. See in this. Question is what? In this given figure, find the sum of the angle EAB plus ABC plus BCD plus CDE plus DEA. We want to find out that EAB, ABC, BCD, CDE, DEA. इन सब angles का sum क्या होगा? In this figure, if you see properly, there are 3 triangles. In the first triangle AED, in triangle AED, we can say angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Equation first. Now take triangle ACD, second triangle. In triangle ACD, angle 4 plus angle 5 plus 6 is equal to 180 degree. Second equation. Third triangle, in triangle ABC, angle 7 plus angle 8 plus angle 9 is equal to 180 degree. Third equation. Add all these 3 equations. Add equation 1, 2 and 3. Then you will get angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 is equal to 3 into 180, that is equal to 540 degree. Now see what we need. Angle EAB. EAB. This angle 1 plus 4 plus 7. It means 1 plus 4 plus 7. These 3 angles I can give the name EAB. Next angle I need ABC. ABC directly angle 9. So this angle 9 ABC. Now I need BCD. BCD only 5 and 8. So see 5 plus 8 is equal to BCD. CDE becomes 2 plus 6. So this becomes 2 plus 6 becomes CDE. Angle 3 DEA. Only angle 3 remaining. DEA, that is equal to 540 degree. So this time we will use the concept of angle sum property of a triangle. Now you can attempt your exercise 11A. Do complete in your fair notebook. We will discuss some more example in the next lecture. Thank you.